File 5. Listening 2. 1.
OK. Which is the most exciting city in the world?
Well, for me, it's either Mumbai or Mexico City.
Let's put Mexico City. Although Mumbai definitely has the best vegetarian restaurants.
Better than Vancouver? We had some wonderful vegetarian food there.
Yes, I think so. Mumbai was the best.
2. You've put Seoul as the cleanest city.
Don't you agree?
Not entirely. I think the subway and places like that in Seoul are amazing. But for the whole city, I think Hong Kong is the winner there.
Well, we can put Hong Kong as the cleanest city, and I'll write a note that Seoul has the cleanest public transport system.
That sounds right. 3.
Here's a difficult question. Which is the most beautiful city? It has to be Paris.
What about Venice?
Oh, yes, but Paris is my answer.
Venice would win the prize for best seafood. They have wonderful fish restaurants there. Is there a question for that? 4.
Which city has the friendliest people?
Rome, perhaps? Or Auckland? How about Cuzco?
Oh, yes. Everyone is lovely to tourists in Cuzco and so helpful, especially if you're travelling with children.
I agree. It's a great city for families to visit.
5.
This question is for you, Brad. Which city has the best art galleries in the world?
Well, I'd like to say New York, but I think the answer has to be London. The galleries are amazing. And even better, most of them are completely free to visit.
Yes, and most of the things to do in London are so expensive.
New York is as bad as London for that. Which city do you think is the best value for money?
Perhaps Santiago? The hotels and restaurants there were cheap. No, I think Istanbul. It's not expensive, and the history and culture